Hey, welcome back. So today in this video, I want to share with you about the 31 business opportunity. So as most of you know, this business opportunity changed my life for the better. And I love sharing that with other women. So I'd love for you to think during this video while you're watching what 31 could do for you. What are your plans? What are your dreams? What are your goals? Sometimes our dreams and our goals are two different things. But just think about that and think about, what your why might be if you were to join 31. So maybe you just want to make some extra money. You want to pay off a credit card bill. Maybe you just want to take your family on vacation. Maybe you just need something for you. Your life revolves around everyone else and you just need a little outlet for you. Or maybe you just love the products so much you just have to share them with your friends and family, and it's not too bad to get paid on the side as well. Or maybe you want a way to be able to give back. We have a lot of opportunities with 31. And I just love helping new women start their business off strong. And when I see these ladies on my team reach their goals, working hard, oh my goodness, it just makes me swell with pride for them because I'm so excited to see them. So anyways, let's talk about how you can enroll as a 31 consultant, okay? So we have 3 different enrollment kits that you can choose from at 3 different price points. So we have a $59 kit, a $99 kit, and a $179 kit. So I'm going to share with you the kits today and just a few of the products that are in our first kit. Okay, so our first kit is actually called the Basic Best Sellers Kit. So it has our basic best sellers in that kit. Also, when you enroll as a consultant and your pink box arrives, do not throw your pink box away. Okay, so you can use it in your displays. You can use it just in your office, in your home, just to remind you of this amazing opportunity that you have in front of you. When I see this pink box, it reminds me of where I started from and where I am today. And honestly, being a 31 consultant is super easy. It's as easy as like number one is booking parties, right? So when you have parties on your calendar, you are always going to be earning a paycheck when you are hosting parties. So when I enrolled as a consultant 9 years ago, I had to have 4 hostesses before I could even enroll as a consultant. I had to enter the hostesses' names on the website before I could enroll. But when I look back, wow, it helped me start off super strong. So we have a new consultant program called AMP Jumpstart. And back then it was called something different. But because I had already had those parties on my calendar before I even enrolled as a consultant, I did not have any problem earning my new consultant incentive back then. So when you join, before you join, ask your friends and your family, hey, if I were to do this, would you be one of my very first hostesses? And that's going to set you up for success from the very beginning. And when you are booking those parties and then holding those parties, you are making commission and you're also earning from our AMP Jumpstart rewards where you can earn products in your first 90 days. So booking is the first one. Second is holding those parties and sharing the products. All you have to do is share the products that come in your enrollment kit. It's that easy. We have lots of other products, but the products that come in our enrollment kit are our top selling products. You're not going to have any problem sharing them. Take them with you. Take this large utility tote full of products with you to all of your family gatherings. Take a couple of catalogs that come in your enrollment kit and you will be set. And then the third thing is by sharing the business opportunity. So say you have an outfit on and everybody's like, oh my goodness, I love that outfit that you have. Where did you get it? You have no problem telling them, right, where you got that outfit from. It's just as easy with 31. Oh my goodness, you can share the business opportunity with your friends and your family. You can bless others and then help yourself and your business in the process. So I consider this a blessing and I love sharing the blessing with others. Okay, so let's get to the kit, right? I feel like this is my Mary Poppins bag, so I'm just gonna pull everything out of the enrollment kit. This is kind of heavy because the catalogs are in here, but this is everything that's going to come in the $59 Basic Best Sellers Kit. Now, one thing about all of our kits is that you get to choose your own prints, which is fun, right? And then the items that do come personalized in the kit, you get to choose your own personalization. So the first thing, I'm just gonna point this out, is the large utility tote. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous this print is. So the large utility tote, everything that you need to run a successful business is going to come in this kit right here. Okay, so you got your large utility tote. It's our #1 seller year after year. Okay, you can use it in the trunk of your car. You can use it overnight, an overnight bag. You can use it for storage, kids' toys, you name it. It is the best. The next item that's going to come in the kit is our zip top organizing utility tote. This is another tried and true product. It's flat because I had it folded up. I'm just going to open it up a little bit. But it's our tried and true product. So it has the 7 pockets. The 7 pockets on the outside. So you've got 1, 2, you've got mesh pockets on the sides, and then 1, 2, 3 pockets here. It does have a zipper closure here on the top, and then the inside, it's not wanting to cooperate, but you've got a nice little tote here. So you guys know that we are known for that large utility tote, and we are known for that zip top organizing utility tote. The next one is our fold over lunch thermal. So love, this is in that boho rainbow print. Got a handle right here, and you can share with your customers that for every one of these that's sold, 31 cents is donated to our partners, Girls on the Run. So you got a little handle here, you've got a buckle here that is adjustable. So if you have more things in here and you don't need it folded over quite so far, you can adjust this here and make it buckle there. And then on the inside, it does have our thermal lining in here. So this is super nice, the fold over lunch thermal. Also going to come is the little carry-all caddy. Love these little caddies, truly the best, little gifts, okay? The next is a zipper pouch is going to come in this kit. These are great for charging cords. It's great for like my kids. Each of them have one as a medicine bag. Like we just use these all the time. So this is the zipper pouch. Also, our All About the Benjamins wallet. It is our #1 selling wallet, and it will come with the wristlet strap there. And then you've got the full zipper closure all the way around. When you open it up, you've got card slots here, place for your ID. You can store, grab it here, cash and receipts there. And then you open it up, it kind of fan folds open over here. So you've got a place for your phone, for your checkbook. You've got a built-in change purse here. And then over here, I can grab it, good. You got card slots here and here, and then even a section to store things back here. So our #1 selling wallet is the All About the Benjamins wallet, and you're gonna get it in your enrollment kit. And then the last product is our essential storage tote. So this is kind of like the size, I try to explain it as like a reusable grocery bag. So it's great for a change of clothes. It's great for food. It's just great for everything. Very similar to the large utility tote. You can use it for everything. And then each of our enrollment kits are going to come with business supplies. So we're setting you up for success. So you're going to get a pack of catalogs. That's why it was so heavy. You're going to get a pack of catalogs. You're also going to get a pack of order forms. A pack of mini catalogs. And then I suggest, instead of buying business cards, use our mini catalogs as your business card. Always keep 1 or 2 of these with you, okay? And then I always tell my new consultants too, never give away a marketing material without your information on there. And then also it's going to come with the how-to guide. This is your #1 tool for getting started as a new consultant, the how-to guide. It tells you exactly what to do, gives you words to say, and it will help you launch your business along with me if you choose me as your sponsor. So that is the $59 kit. We'll talk about, this is our $99 kit. So in this kit, you're gonna have everything in the kit before, except you've got 3 new products in this one. You've got the tiny utility tote, you've got the Fresh Market thermal, and then you have the modern tote right here. And so this kit is valued at $390, and it is $99. And then the last kit option is our Ultimate Goal Getter Kit. It's $179, valued at $722. You get more products in this one. You'll get the deluxe utility tote. You'll get the travel pouches right here. You'll get the stand tall bin. You will get the snack bag, which is right there. You'll get the Away for the Weekend, are my favorites. You'll get the Window Shopper LTD and a Ruby Mini with that. So Just know that you can enroll at different price points, whatever fits your budget. But this is such a blessing, and I love sharing it with others. So if you're considering the business opportunity and you do not have a consultant that you work with, I would love to chat with you and see if the 31 business opportunity might be a fit for you. I'm an open book. You can ask me anything. I will answer any question that you ask me. So if you're looking for a sponsor, I'd love to be yours. And it is important to talk to your sponsor before you enroll and see, have them answer your questions and see what kind of support that you are going to have as a consultant starting a business. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. I'll link below my VIP group on Facebook so you can click to join, answer the 2 questions, and I'll send you back a private message. But that's only if you do not have a consultant. If you have a consultant already, please connect with her. Make sure that you are in her VIP group, okay? We are a community of sisterhood, and I love seeing my other sisters soar in this business as well. So please support your consultant. But if you do not have one, then I'd love to connect with you, okay? All right, subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any of my product videos, okay? And I'm looking forward to hearing back from you and looking forward to this new catalog season with 31. All right, y'all have a great day.